The Map Location tool is available from the Map Tools toolbar. Having chosen Map Location, we can see the tool is split into three parts. The top part gives us the exact easting and northing or longitude and latitude of our current cursor location. We can also click within the map and the map will return the exact easting and northing or longitude and latitude value for the location where we clicked. Secondly, if we wanted to, we could also type in our own X and Y coordinates, in this case in British National Grid eastings and northings. If we now press the Go button, MapThat will recenter over that location. Thirdly, notice there's an identify address. If we click anywhere within the map, this will do a reverse geocode and give us the exact address for that location.